and tell. Hello, Joe. All right, everybody. So we're talking about really being connected to your home, really being able to monitor your home and save on monthly bills and that type of stuff. We've got a really cool product here. It is from First Alert. They are the premier, one of the premier brands when it comes to home safety. Take a look here because we've got a 2-pack of basically something that's giving you maximum protection in a micro design. We hear the statistics all along. If you have a fire in your home, gosh, you know what? I'm gonna leave the facts to Lori because Lori's got wonderful statistics for you. We're not trying to scare you here, but everybody knows that you should have working smoke and fire alarms in your home. Today you're getting a 2-pack. It's a customer pick. This is something everyone needs, and it's on 3 flex of $19.98. Those flex pay expire at midnight tonight. 471274 is your item number. Lori Leland, get out here because you know what? Just reading the statistics, hearing about it, it terrifies me. And right? I do have smoke alarms, working smoke alarms everywhere, but with these, you never have to replace the battery.
This is the brand new Atom, so you don't have to replace the battery for 10 years. If you've gotten fed up with that little chirp, 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 chirp that always inevitably happens at 3 in the morning, I have no idea why the batteries always die in the middle of the night. You never have to worry about that chirping sound or replacing batteries with the Atom. You're getting a 2-pack here today. Out at retail, you can find these for $35 and up each. So here at HSN, we have the ultimate deal for you, and it's First Alert. This is the premier name when it comes to home safety and protection. Right. Probably there's no one among us who hasn't been touched in some way by a home fire. We have show hosts here who have lost family members in a home fire. Adam and Chelsea Freeman had a home fire. We actually had really, really good friends that didn't have working smoke detectors in their home. They thought they were working, they weren't working, and it could have been disastrous. Luckily, everybody was okay. But the National Fire Protection Association says that 3 in 5 home fire deaths happen in homes that don't have working or adequate amount of smoke detectors, and you are twice as likely to die in a home fire if your smoke detectors don't work. Doesn't your family deserve a fighting chance? That's why our Atom has been so wildly popular here at HSN. We also just showed you a little fact about where you should be placing these. You need one in every walking area, like every little hallway leading up to every sleeping area. I always recommend one in the kitchen because most home fires do start in the kitchen, and then also one near the garage. If you have smoke detectors right now, take a look, please. I encourage you to take stock of the way they look right now. If they're yellowing, if they're starting to look gray with age, maybe you took the old one and hit it too many times with the broom handle, or maybe it was chirping in the middle of the night and you needed to make it stop, so you just pulled the batteries out. If you did that, your family is unprotected until you get new batteries in there. With the Atom, you never worry about that. Please take stock, because if the smoke detectors you have are over 10 years old, they begin to lose their efficacy. You might want to add these to the ones you already have, and this set will save you money up to $200 in batteries over the next 10 years. And you don't have to think about it. So easy to install. You just set it and forget it. You don't have to think about it for a decade. We love that.
And you know, every product we present here at HSN is not necessarily a product that everybody needs, but I will tell you, this is a product that everybody needs. It is from a premier brand when it comes to home safety, and that is First Alert. So they are known, they are recognized for efficient products. You're getting maximum protection in this micro design, and how lovely it is. It's not this big eyesore.
Exactly.
You never have to worry about replacing that battery for 10 years. So we're saving you money in the long run, and we really have such a fantastic deal today because you're getting a 2-pack. And remember, you should be putting working smoke and fire alarms pretty much in every area and hallway of your home. So please, if you want to be empowered, if you want to protect your family, if you want to take control, this is a wonderful place to start. 471274 is your item number. Lori, I'm going to go ahead and ask for phone calls because people love this product. It is highly reviewed on hsn.com. Give us a call, become part of this show. We'd love to hear from you this morning.
Honestly, you know, this is a fun hour with home automation. We've got a really, really cool VTech set of phones coming up. This may not be the sexiest thing in the whole world, smoke detectors, but it is, as you said, absolutely essential if you want to sleep better at night, if you want to know yourself, your pets, your loved ones are all protected. This is a simple step that you can take to make sure that you're protected. This is the latest technology. This is photoelectric technology. Not only the distinction of being the smallest smoke detector available on the market. Look at how much smaller it is than this big eyesore. By the way, this is First Alert too. They've just come a long way with the evolution of the look of this unit, and the technology is absolutely there. You're gonna have fewer false alarms with this. Steamy shower won't set it off. If you hear this go off, it's because you probably really do have a problem. I'm gonna go ahead and set it off, and I'm a good friend, so I'm gonna warn everybody it's loud.
So I'm gonna step away, is what I'm gonna do.
This thing is 85 decibels. You can see that there's a cue right here, that blinking LED light, so check this out. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We're waking up.
It's loud. Yeah. That almost woke me up this morning. That's pretty good,
works.
right? So this is gonna definitely, little deafening actually, right? This will certainly, definitely get you up and out of your home, and really seconds count. If home fires start primarily between 2 and 6 a.m., not sure why, that's just kind of the way it goes. I've done a lot of research on this. I was provided a lot of research too from First Alert, and your home fires can double every 30 seconds, which means your home could be completely engulfed in flames in as little as 5 minutes. So you need something loud and something efficient, and you don't have to worry about batteries. This is a 10-year battery. Smoke detectors only have about a 10-year life cycle. Otherwise, they lose efficacy. Isn't it time to replace the ones or add to the ones in your home? This is a great opportunity to do so.
It really is, and really easy to put up, by the way, because you mount that little bracket, and then you literally just go like this, and you twist it, and it's on. Small fingerprint, okay? So it's not gonna be this big thing on your wall, but man, does it work. So powerful protection for your home. And really, I mean, Lori said it best. The truth is, doesn't your family deserve the very best? This is one of the easiest ways you can protect your family and your home and your investments and your pets and your children. I mean, come on, small price to pay.
And I mean, I feel a lot of us sometimes say, oh, you know, that's not gonna happen to me.
We all say that.
But why take that risk? Why take that chance? And you saw the simple and easy installation that Leslie was speaking to. You just install that little sleeve. We include everything for you. You just need a screwdriver, and then you don't think about it at all for the next decade, because you don't even have to buy batteries. This could save you and your family up to $200 over the next 10 years. And the nice thing too about First Alert is that you're gonna be able to mount this high on a ceiling or high on a wall. It really depends. If you don't wanna have to do the whole ceiling thing, you can put it up on a wall if that's easier for you.
Everybody gets the 2 smoke and fire detectors, the batteries, the 2 mounting kits with the hardware, the instructions, and that manufacturer's 10-year limited warranty. 471274 is your item number on this customer pick 2-pack. And with that, let's stop the show. We've got a brand new launch, new product at HSN.